Hi guys, hello everyone. So today what we are going to do is we are going to analyze intraday in gold, Xauusd, intraday analysis, newer session and for FOMC meeting. Okay, so let's start guys. So here we can see this is our day candle, today candle. This is previous day candle. Okay, so we are going to analyze where where we can go for buy and where we can sell. Okay. So today what happened is in Asian session, gold go upwards to grab new buy orders above this level. So here we if we switch to 5 minutes, here we can see here we can see yes what happening gold. This is previous day. Previously what happened, the SMC, the institutions what they do, they just push the price to the 700 levels to grab all the buy stop orders above from this level. So you can see here above from this level, all the buy orders already captured. So after capturing all that buy orders, after taking all the buy orders, immediately the sellers came into market. They turn market to bearish with the momentum. See guys, this is the momentum. Here you can see there is no wick. See after this candle, here we didn't find any wick. That means they are not allowing buyers to close or buyers to close in break events even. So that even they didn't allow. So that price came back bearish to our Asia London low. To take our London low, he's here. So it take the London low liquidity and again price go upwards with slow momentum. So here we can see this thing if you analyze using trend line, you can see guys here this, and if we draw a trend line like this, you can see it's a racing wedge. It's a racing wedge pattern. So what they do, see guys, here also are buyers again. We can see why the price reject from this price, because buyers here, these buyers who open buy trades above the 700 level, they again place buy stop orders or take buy orders here this week. This after seeing this bullish engulfing candle, they again place orders and again the price come back down. So they are looking for to close the buy orders, buy orders in break even. So what the retail traders do, they will never place stop losses. They will never want to lose. They will never want to lose. So again, what the price did, price goes, reject the zone and fall. This is rising wedge pattern. Here you can see this is the rising wedge pattern. So after the breakout, this trend line, we can see here a hanging man candle. Hanging man candlestick. And again it retest the trend line and went back. And again here it create a support area. It create a support. Then they break the support and now it became resistance. So you can mark this as a resistance zone. Okay. See guys. and now is resistance. So after that, what happened? The price reject swept the all liquidity available here. This all are buyers liquidity, guys. Buyers again open buy trade again. They stop losses here, and here. All the stop losses hunt. This is stop loss hunt, guys. This is stop loss hunt. Everything. See, this all are liquidity here, here, everywhere. This all are liquidity. So, after liquidate all liquidity, the price moves again up. But we know that we are in a bearish trend. But what? This all are traps, guys. This all are traps. See, you can do this, engulfing this tendency, this thing. This all are traps. Again, this is a final trap for buyers. Here, the buyers are there. So now, 50% to 60% buyers are in loss. 60% buyers are in loss. So sellers are in profit, buyers are in loss. Sellers who take sell orders from top, they can hold sell orders. They can hold sell orders till our next support. So we have our next support at 56 level, because last week we see the price reject 54 to 56 level multiple times. See, that is Monday high is 54, last week Monday. For the last 4 days, last weekend 4 days, the price reject the 54 resistance level, and it breaks this Monday, and again you can see here, again you can see it retests the zone and it pulled back again. So what happened here? Here more sellers, this is a trap, guys. This is a trap. Here more sellers came in. See, can see here, more sellers came in here. After sellers place order below this level, the price immediately goes up. Immediately goes up like this. Why? Because they want to lose. If buyers want to take profit, sellers has to lose. That is the market. That is the market condition we are seeing here. So here you can see the same example what we see earlier in 700 level. Here this is gap, and without giving a week to sellers, the price slowly with a slow volume they push up, because they building pressed for sellers to they should not close the trade. Actually, for institutions, banks, they know that these retail traders here will not close trade. So they are giving hope that with slow momentum it will come back. They are giving hope. So here, after seeing this hanging man candle is slow momentum, sellers again open sell trades, and again it got rejected and go up. Same here, again go up. So after that what happened? After this bullish momentum, buyers closes buy trade, because all-time high. This is our all-time high. So buyers close their buy trades. So sellers open sell trade. See, sellers open sell trade, buyers close buy trade. So it goes up. Why? Because sellers has to lose their buyers not available. So market goes there, goes above this level and do a range. After New York session to the next day, do a range. And the next day it again market grab all the liquidity here. Tuesday, all the liquidity from here, and again it goes to the new high, and again we saw that it's rejected. So for today, what we are going to see, Here we have a major resistance level, today's resistance. This is our today's resistance, guys. Okay. So here, what now price is doing? It's grab all the liquidity here. It's trying to push up. Maybe it can go up to this resistance today in your session. It may go here and do a range and it can fall back. If it break this resistance and we can see some noise here, like if it break and again retests, again if we see any evidence like we see here any traps for sellers, we can open buy trade. If we see if with a healthy 1 hour candle or 15 minutes candle closing above this level and this is doing a range here little bit and come back to test the support again, there we can find traps. If you identify the traps, go for buy, impulsive buy, and stop loss below this 70 level. Here we can see here a range. Okay, this level. This is a ranging area. We can stop below 70. Above this we can take. So 80 pips SL and 1:3 you can target for intraday. And during news, I don't think today news will affect more because it's already in high prices. If price rejecting this, and we can see already buyers are in loss here. So what buyers will think, it will come back to this zone or this zone to close that buy trades in break even. So what will happen? They will close their buy trade in break evens. So what happened there? Their sellers will open a sell trade this level without confirming. If we open a sell trade, the prices will go up. Like here, what we see previously. What do we see previously? If buyers closes buy trade, prices move up only, not going to down. See, that will happen. This is our setup, guys. If we get any bearish evidence after tapping this zone, then we'll go for sell. Then the sell target will be like, next target will be like for sell 39. Because here see, we have a huge support in 4 hours. There you can see, yes. This is our 4 hours support. The next target will be 39. Then if the price breaks this level tomorrow, then it will be like 23 level. And it will be like 16 level. CPI news where we can see 16 level. Okay. For today we plan for a sell but with a bearish evidence. Now you can see here, guys. You can see here the trend, the sellers close the sell trade here. Okay, more sellers close the sell trade in 60 level. Why? Because previously the 60 level is our support zone. See, you can see this is our support 60 to 65. This is our resistance. Now it became support. So in this support, more sellers close sell trade. So in order to attract more buyers, the prices can go upwards, do a range here and come again. Here you can see Now we have is support. They have a new support here, guys. Let's see. This is hardly support. We can draw here. Okay. Can draw here. So plan accordingly. Take minimum risk. Maximum. Don't try to trade during news time. Anything can happen, guys. Because where we can see in Forex, you can see trade cut. So there are interest rate cuts. So prices can go upwards, but we need volume. We need volume. If we see major traps for sellers, if you see the trap which we see before here, you can like this all perhaps, guys, this and this, without giving a wick. If price moves to the opposite direction, if price move to the opposite direction, it means we are going to buy. Okay. So our next target for buy is, if it close above this resistance, next target will be, first we will target this all-time high. Next it will be like 720 area, then 750. So this week we are expecting gold to touch 750 level. Okay, if this momentum continues, you can see if this momentum continues, if this momentum higher lows equal double bottom, higher low, and we already have a new higher low. See, guys, if it breaks below, we can go for impulsive sell this level. If it breaks, okay, if it breaks with a healthy 1 hour or 15 minutes candle, we can go for impulsive sell today. So this is our plan, guys, for today. Please support our channel. We are new here, new to YouTube. So please excuse for the background noise which you are hearing. Maybe we will purchase a mic soon with your support. And here we go, guys. Okay, here we go. If you have any doubts, you can watch our live stream. We are live for London and New York sessions for scalping purposes. Okay, for intraday scalping, we open a sell trade here, guys. Why? I will say, because you can see in 1 hour we have this bearish engulfing candle. Takes is all the liquidity, guys, all liquidity, and we found some traps here, some buy traps here. We can identify that buy traps here, and this is the zone, guys. If you draw Fibonacci from the opening price to the closing price today in the Asian session, you can see we are in a golden zone. See, guys, how the price action works here. See, guys, how the price action works here. So here we have a zone. After seeing projecting from this zone, we go for sell, and we close the sell trade here, guys, 60 level. You know that price is going to take the next support in 50 level. So we close the sell trade. So everyone close the sell trade, and buyers maybe accept their loss here. Buyers may place stop losses here. So it grabs all the stop losses here, and it can go up, but we don't know. We have to wait for New York session. Okay. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please give me a like, support our channel. We'll see more in coming days. So every day we will provide intraday analysis and we will do live streams. I really appreciate if you give a like and support us. Please do subscribe guys. Thank you guys. Thank you. And sorry for the background noise which you are hearing and for my bad English. Okay. Our main purpose is to educate. This is an education channel, guys. This is not here to gamble or we are not promoting in it. Okay. We are not promoting any financial risk. Okay. Thank you, guys. Hope you have a good day. Hope you and don't forget to withdraw your profits. You should withdraw, guys. You should withdraw your profits. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you.